Lord. Oh.
That was a good one.
That's probably the biggest fish you'll probably catch out of here. I didn't know what to do, Hayden. What do I do? I couldn't get him up here. That was a big one. Bet you that was 3.5 pounds. There's probably 4 or 5 of them down here.
Oh, yeah?
Don't you come over here throwing rocks in here. You scare away all my freaking fish.
I'm not going. You'll be alright. Is that bigger than the other one?
Absolutely not. This is a dinkosaurus compared to the other one.
That one is?
Yeah.
I want to hold it. Don't let it go.
Dinkosaurus. The other one was a monster.
That one that you just caught and you lost?
Yeah.
Hey!
Got him? You want me to let him go?
No, he's being nice. Being mean.
Don't throw him down right there.
Over there?
Yeah, toss him off. Oh, that gum. Just stay on, baby. Okay. Let's see if we can get you over here. Oh. Don't know what to do.
That's big.
Pretty good. Just don't hug my hand. You know what though? Still not as big as the other one I lost.
Are you joking?
No, I'm not.
What about the other one?
Which one? The last? That's what I was afraid of. That's probably 2.5-ish. I'll let him go right here. You know, hold him. Good fish, Hayden Michelle. God, you caught a good one. There you go. Thanks, bud. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Here, catch another one.
Can't do that, Hayden. That's cheating. That's a pretty good one.
Okay, then